Welcome back guys to another video. Here I am making my vanilla strawberry sponge cake. Now this cake was so delicious. I've just done some fresh strawberry with some dehydrated strawberry as well. I have cooled my cake completely and filled them with Swiss meringue buttercream. This cake is also crumb coated, put in the fridge to chill, and I made a red color as well, suited for the occasion. I used the stencils with some heart shape to create a little design on the top with pink color. So this color was pink and red. And let me know what you think about the color. And also, this cake was filled with raspberry compote and my Swiss meringue buttercream. Let me know what you think, guys. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.